Today from the Mil-Spec Group, we are featuring a nice little late model CTD D45 double miter saw. It has a start-stop button. Two 2-horsepower dual voltage motors. It's currently wired for 460 volt. It features a filter regulator. It has a control voltage 110 transformer with a separate plug for dust collection hookup. It is foot pedal operated. As I said, it's a nice little unit, late model, in good shape. It has been cleaned and checked and everything operates properly. If you have any questions, please give Mil-Spec Group a call, 715-355-0534. Thank you.